The garden center wants you buying expensive fertilizers and branded soils, but the real secret to a massive harvest isn't on a store shelf. It starts right here in the dirt. Most people just dig a hole, drop in a seed, and hope for the best. That is exactly why they end up spending a fortune on chemical fixes later in the season. If you actually take the time to build your soil chemistry first, everything changes. The roots explode, the plants do the heavy lifting, and you get yields like this. It costs almost nothing to prep your beds the right way. No subscriptions, no magic powders, just basic plant biology doing exactly what it was designed to do. Big corporate nurseries love selling you specialized misting nozzles and overhead sprayers. They want you to treat your backyard garden like a high-tech commercial greenhouse. But daily surface watering is one of the biggest traps in gardening. It keeps the top layer wet while leaving the deeper root zones completely dry. When you drench the leaves every single day, you aren't helping the plant. You're just inviting fungal diseases and training the roots to stay weak and shallow. Instead, you are deep, infrequent watering. Force those roots to stretch downwards into your dark, nutrient-dense soil to find moisture on their own. Step away from the hose. Let the soil dry out between waterings and let natural biology take care of the rest. You spent weeks starting your seeds and getting them into the dirt, but the very next step is where most gardeners unknowingly ruin their entire harvest. Once the plants are in, the instinct is to grab a hose and just soak everything down. But blasting your garden from above is a massive mistake. When you drench the leaves like this, you aren't feeding the plant. You are just creating a damp, humid breeding ground for blight and fungal disease. The industry wants to sell you expensive chemical fungicides to fix the damage, but the real solution is completely free. Just change your aim. Deliver the water directly to the base of the plant. The roots get what they need, and the leaves stay perfectly dry.